Hi everyone, today I am going to show you some stuff that I've been working on my desk today, which is these super cute layered canvas bows. And I got this material, well, I pinched it from my sister, and it's material from Pixie Dot, and it's really pretty. And I've got a couple of different varieties here. This is like a really pale pinky kind of shade, and I know something that you're all interested in, sort of the whole hand cutting versus big shot, because when obviously I go to my sister's I pinch her big shot because I'm not the great. I'm okay, as you can see. You couldn't tell that I've hand cut this because I tend to be pretty good, but I can sort of see where I need a little bit more work. You know what it's like, you're always your own worst critic. So like I said, this is a triple layer one. And I'm a bit different to some bow makers because you probably notice a lot would have a different colour tail. I actually like really classic, like all one. And I also think if you're going to buy a print, then why not show it off to the very best of its ability and do like a whole. Well, my sister hates that. She always prefers to have like the colour, plain, the colour, and like a plain tail. But like I say, it's all about personal preferences. So this is a triple layer one. And that is the large, medium and small dolly with the large tail. And then I've got a double layered medium, which is a medium and a small with a tail. And then I've got a small one with a tail, and that was from one sheet. So that is 1 sheet of material with minimum waste. And then with my second sheet, which is in the same tone, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 medium ones, all with tails, as you can see, and 2 little tiny single layered ones. And again, that's all from 1 sheet. So I have here is I've got the large dolly template from Felt Better, the medium, and the small, like I said, all with the tails. And I've got 3 more sheets of Donna's amazing fabric, and there's this one. This is like a white with those flowers on, and then there's like, this one's more of a cream shade, and then this is another more pinky toned one. And as you can see, I don't know how, my lines are very faint because they're purely just for me to cut round, but I've done another sheet and I've got 1, 2, from 1 sheet I've got 3 medium, which would be this one. Yeah, so that one is 3 medium and small double layered with tails, and 2 small. I think that's, yeah. So on this one, I've managed to, with my templates, literally placing them on and drawing round and drawing around the tails, I can get 3 medium small double layered with tails and 2 small bows, but one of them will be that direction instead of straight across, but it's okay for just for one. I just don't like wasting material where I can. And then one, I've got a large, medium, small triple with tail, and a large, medium, double with tail. So I didn't get a lot because, like I said, the large bows take up an awful lot of room, which is this one. And then I've got a large triple with tails and a medium double with tails and 1 medium bow with tails. So you can get quite a lot with your fabric, which is quite a lot of bows with 5 pieces of material if you do it well. And like I said, you sort of get everything as close as possible. I'm going to pause for a little while and go and cut the rest of mine and make all of these up, and I'll come back in a minute and show you just how many bows I managed to get out of 5 pieces of fabric, considering the fact that I do, like I said, I like layers. I'm a big fan of layered bows. So I'll speak to you in a minute. So I'm back and I have finished cutting and gluing everything all together, and from 5 sheets of this lovely floral printed ones in different colours, I have managed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 4 large dollies at the bottom, medium and small, so they're triple layered bows with the large dolly tails. So like I said, there's 4 of them in total, and then I've got doubles, which are these, so that's a medium and the small and the tail, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those double layered ones, and then I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medium, just standard with the tails, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little small ones, again with tails. If you didn't do them with tails, or you didn't layer, obviously you would get a lot more out of them. But obviously if you wanted to make some sort of sets, so say you wanted your double layer and then some cute little medium ones like that, that would make a pretty set, because you could do like a mummy, sister, baby sister kind of thing. Just little ideas like that. Same with that. Got 2 layered ones, and if you have more white small, I've probably got enough to do another white small one. But like I said, you could do the white with the double layered ones, little tiny, and again that would be another set combination that you could sort of do, and just things like that. You could mix it up. I'll show you the little tiny one. Got your double layered there, triple layer, double layer, single layer, and 2 minis kind of thing. And like I said, you could play around and, like I said, mix up your sets if you added different colours in with them. Obviously if you added like a plain on your tail and your centres and things like that, they would go a lot further. But like I said, if I have a print, I like to show it on every layer, just because that's my personal preference. But how pretty is that print? I love it. And I will just show you all my waste, because I always keep it, the little scraps, and putting the centres on, which I've got to do on a couple of these that I need to clip. But this is my waste on 5 sheets. I'm quite sure if I was had a bit more practice at this, and like my sister, and I've been doing it a lot longer, I might be able to get even less waste out and maybe get another bow or 2 out of certain ones. But for now, I'm quite happy that I can make a reasonable amount of bows out of that. And as you can see, it's sort of giving you an indication of like how many bows of certain sizes that you can make out of what A4 sheets, because this was 5 sheets of A4 material, sorry. So like I said, you can get quite a lot. You could do more, like I said, if you were using the smaller and you were mixing in any different colours, etc. But like I said, that's how I like to do them. Okay, so thanks for watching, bye!